Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a change of name in the Gazette. First, you'll need to determine if your reason for changing your name is legally permissible. Reasons like marriage, divorce, or personal preference are generally accepted. We will then cover the specific documents required and walk you through the application process, ensuring you understand each step for a smooth experience. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need a notarized affidavit, which is a formal declaration of your intent to change your name. This document should clearly state both your current and desired new names, along with the reason for the change. Next, you must publish advertisements in 2 newspapers, one in English and another in a local language. Don't forget to collect your government ID, proof of address, and 2 recent passport-sized photographs. Once your documents are ready, prepare a digital CD with soft copies of your affidavit and application in MS Word format. Ensure all details are typed, not scanned. Then, carefully fill out the official application form provided by the Department of Publication. Finally, submit your complete application package, including the notarized affidavit, newspaper clippings, digital CD, and the fee payment receipt, to the Gazette office. You can submit these by post or in person. Regarding fees, the cost for publishing a major's name change in the Gazette is generally around 1,100 rupees. For a minor's name change, the fee is typically 1,700 rupees. After submission, the publication process usually takes between 15 to 50 days. Once published, you'll receive your official Gazette notification. And for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.